Welcome back to Grand Car. Today, 900 horsepower, 6 wheels, a Tiffany red interior, the most extreme G-Wagon ever imagined. The 2027 Mercedes-AMG G63 6x6 G900 Angular LED headlights cut the darkness first, then Obsidian black, then 6 wheels, the most extreme G-Wagon ever conceived, revealed. 900 horsepower, 6 wheels, 3 axles, portal axle military ride height, Obsidian black, the G63 6x6 G900 at confident pace. The G63 6x6 G900 front face, AMG vertical louver grille, angular LED headlights, massive AMG air inlets, forged carbon functional hood scoop, chrome G-Wagon door handles, the most commanding SUV front face, in Obsidian black. 6 wheels, 2 front, 4 rear, on 2 separate axles, all 6 24-inch gloss black, forged alloys. The defining detail that makes this the most extreme G-Wagon ever conceived. The forged carbon fiber functional center, hood scoop. Not decorative, functional. Channeling cold air to the 900 horsepower, twin turbocharged V8 below the hood. 4-branch AMG side exhaust, on both sides of the G63 6x6 simultaneously. 8 exhaust outlets total across both body sides, the sound of 900 horsepower, exiting from every direction. The 6x6 side profile, 2 front wheels, 4 rear wheels at 2 axle positions, 6 total. The second rear axle creating the unmistakable 6x6 proportion that no other production or concept vehicle replicates. The chrome G-Wagon heritage door grab handles, the same grab handle that has been on every G-Wagon since 1979. On the 900 AP 6-wheel G900, unchanged. The heritage, unkillable. This is the 2027 Mercedes-AMG GX63 6x6 G900 concept, Obsidian black, 900 horsepower, 6 wheels, 20 minutes, every detail. Let us begin. The AMG specific front grille, with vertical louver air inlets, not horizontal, vertical. The AMG G63 air inlet signature on the 900 HP 6-wheeled G900. The rear climbing ladder. The G-Wagon heritage detail, allowing access to the roof from the rear. On the 6x6 with its dramatically raised portal axle height, the ladder is not optional, it is essential. Forged carbon fiber fender flares at all 6-wheel positions, each flare individually crafted. At macro scale, individual forged carbon fiber weave strands visible. The most expensive carbon fiber body kit on the most extreme G-Wagon. All 4 rear wheels simultaneously, 2 on the first rear axle, 2 more on the second rear axle, all 2 4-inch gloss black forged alloys. The rear of the 6x6, like no other vehicle on earth.